Okay, welcome back to the Simple Kitchen. Tonight we're going to do a real easy recipe. We've got our glazed and confused mushrooms, which uses our hickory syrup. We're going to grill some steak, beef that's raised right here on our farm, grass-fed. We're going to use a little bit of maple sugar pepper as a rub. It's the only rub that I use on our beef. So to get started, I've got the beef right here. Just going to take the maple sugar pepper, which is essentially maple sugar, kosher salt, and coarse ground black pepper. That's all that's in it. But it's a real nice rub for beef. Not overpowering, doesn't destroy the taste of the beef. Like always, put a little bit on each side. Kind of pat that in. And we flip it over, put some on the other side. We're going to let that sit for about a half an hour before we put it on the grill. And that's all she needs. Okay, so for the glazed and confused mushrooms, you're going to want to have a cast iron skillet. We're going to put all of the ingredients, except for the mushrooms, into this skillet. So we need a tablespoon of olive oil, or thereabouts. Put that into the skillet. We need a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. I hate measuring things, so I'm just gonna do a little shake, 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 shake. That'll give that a little bit of heat. We need a clove of garlic minced. We're going to just get that garlic in there, take all the good stuff from inside as well because it was already peeled. Then we're going to add a tablespoon, maybe a little bit more, of our shagbark hickory syrup, flagship syrup. It's great for glazing all kinds of things. I'm going to put just a little bit extra in there. And then we're going to do a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Tablespoon of balsamic. That's it. That's all the ingredients. Then I'm going to take a spatula. I've already got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. We got some button mushrooms. You could do this with oysters, portobello, whatever. These are just garden variety button mushrooms. Put them into the skillet. Toss that with all these ingredients. Get back in there, little mushroom. All right, so we got them all coated real good. Oven's at 350 degrees. We're just gonna drop that in there for about 30 minutes. And they're good to go. We have our steak that has the maple sugar rub. We're going to throw some of these mushrooms beside the steak on these two plates. Good Lord, I'm watering. Okay. There you have it. We've got some stir-fried rice with red peppers and onions. Put a little bit of that on each plate. And we've got some fresh asparagus from the garden, picked just a few minutes ago, with garlic grilled. And there you have it, another edition of the Simple Kitchen. See you next time.